In last lecture we have seen that the grammar is LR0 or SLR1 or not. So for that purpose we have made it. We make augmented grammar, closer and go to function. So we have made all the transition. On that transition basis we are going to see that this grammar is LR0 or not. So first we are going to make the table, and how many where we have contradiction we are making only those table. In I0 we can say simply shifts are there, so there is no contradiction. And on I4 also all shifts are there, there is no reduction, so this is also okay. And I1 one reduces there with shift, but this reduces augmented grammar, so no issue at all. So we have a problem in 4 state. These are I2, I3, I5 and I6. So we have problem with second, third, fifth and sixth state, because in these states we have shift and reduce. I2, I3, I5 and I6. And I1, I4, I4, I0, no problem. But in these states, or we can say in adjudicative states, these states are in adjudicative states. So we are going to see only these states. So first we are write here number of states 2, 3, 2, 3, 5 and 6. And what are the terminals we have? We have plus, we have star, we have A, we have B and we have dollar. So we will write here terminals. So plus, star, A, B and dollar will come at the end, we all know very well. So we are making this. So first start with the second state. In second state we are able to see here that second transition is completed here, as I have written over here. So we write R2 everywhere because this is LR0 table, so we will write R2 everywhere. R2, 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 R2. Now the next thing is that here we can see simply shifting is also there. That is, two shifts are there. We can say for A and B. For A and B, two shifts are there. So on that basis we have written here I and IJ. We have written I, IJ, IK, IL wherever we have terminals, and where we have variables we write the number of states. So it is clear from here for A and B shifting is also there at I2. So we instead we can write IJ the shift, so we write SI and SIJ. So where it is for A and B, so for A and B we will write SI and SJ. Now we go to the third state. Where is third state? Here it is. So we can see simply F dot. So fourth is completed here. Fourth production is completed here. So we will write reduction. So that is R4, R4, R4. So we will write R4, 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 R4 and R4. And here we can say simply one shift is also there, that is this. So for that purpose we have written, because this is terminal for star, so we are writing IK, so we are writing here SK. So instead of star, so this will be here SK. Now see the fifth state, here it is. So we can say simply third transition is completed here. Third one is TF. So third transition is completed here. So reduction, that will be R3. So we will write here R3, 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 R3. And what is else? For a star, there is one, we can say simply shifting is there. So that is because belongs to the terminal. So we are writing here IL. So because this is the state, so we will write SL. Instead of IL, we will write SL. So because this is on a star, so again on a star, we will write SL. We have written different names so that we can identify on which state it's going on. So this is SL because of a star, so we're writing in star. Now go to the sixth state. Now sixth state, we can say simply first transition is complete, that is E plus T here. So first transition is completed here, so that means reduction, that is R1. So we will write R1, 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 R1. Now what is shifting here? Here shifting is in A and B. Shifting is in A and B. So as I have written here, given the name, so it will be unique or different so that we are able to understand. So I have written here IM and IN for A and B because these are the terminals. So instead of IM, IN, we'll write SM, SN because we are representing here state, or we can say we are representing here shifting. That's why we are taking S. So SM, SN is on the at A and B because we are talking about A and B. So we'll write here SM, SN. So we can see clearly from the table because here we have multiple entries and shift and reduce problem is there. So this grammar is not LR0 because in LR0 table we are able to see shift and reduce problem. So it is not LR0 grammar. In next lecture we will see that grammar is SLR1 or not by checking the SLR1 table.